said it. Okay, one. I knew you will make it. I knew you will make it in life. Hey! Chineke kele the reggae.
Hello? Hello? Number one!
Mama.
Number one, no be guy name, now doings. Now, no say you be man, now you be man. Number one!
Yes.
You be man.
Yes.
Hey!
I said it.
Don't make noise.
Can I call our
I knew you will
neighbors?
make it.
This neighborhood know the right noise.
Hey.
What is happening?
You can see
Mama,
yourself
now
everywhere.
you
can see yourself everywhere. in the house.
What is happening? Mama, it's okay, let's go.
You can see yourself everywhere.
They don't like noise.
Don't make noise. I told you that he will make it. Hey, what? I'm not
Mama, I hope you all like it.
Right.
Are you still asking?
Listen, I'm warning you.
Okay.
If you spoil or break anything here, I will keep that you have my blood aside and beat the hell out of you. Be careful around here.
Number one!
Finally, no noise around this vicinity.
Number one. I want to make noise.
Mama, what God has done in our lives shall remain permanent.
Amen.
Hey.
What God did in our lives shall remain permanent.
Amen.
As we have started eating on top dining, we shall never go back to floor.
Amen. Oh,
No, whoa.
Number one, I feel like making noise and you say they don't make noise.
Don't be here.
They will arrest you.
We have governors, commissioners, billionaires around here. Don't just.
Hey! It's okay. Sorry, sir. I feel like making.
I have arrived.
Number one, leave.
Mama, you have been disconnected from poverty forever.
Amen.
Say bye-bye to poverty.
Obiam.
Say poverty, bye-bye.
Obiam. Bye-bye.
From now, you'll be eating only organic foods.
Bagam.
Number one.
Anything where they break on top is not for you.
Yeah, what?
They prepare your food, you eat it fresh, okay?
Yes.
Organic food. Let me call someone to bring something for us.
Thank you. Okay.
No! I feel like making noise and you say they don't make noise here. What is happening?
Okay, Chuku, your mother just fainted at the market and she was rushed to the hospital. She's not
My mother fainted?
Yes.
Please, let's go. When did your mother faint?
She fainted and she's not with that. No, I don't know. I don't know what happened. But now, what are you doing?
Father, now go see him. No worry. No worry. She knew that the plan you have. I don't even know if you can. Go kill you for this village. Wait for me. Kill you for this village.
You don't know who I'm talking about. You don't know this person.
For what now? See, let me I'm not going anywhere, okay? What does he think he is, though? Does he have 2 heads?
Stanley, please. Okay, fine. I am the eldest brother's girlfriend. Don't you understand?
See, let me tell you, Ruth. See, I want to marry you. I mean, you can't be dating all these poverty guys in this village. For what? You're telling me to. I'm not going anywhere. Let him come.
Stanley.
See, let me tell you, if that guy comes here and do any rubbish, I will get him arrested. I will put him behind bars.
Okay, fine. I understand you, I understand. I will marry you. But you have to start living now. Just go. Stanley, please.
Don't panic. Don't worry. I'm here. Let the guy come. Does he have 2 heads?
Just now.
I'm not going anywhere.
Hey, Ebuka, please. Ebuka, please. Somebody help me!
It's not complete.
I know, but please help me. This is all I could raise for now. Things are hard, please.
You know you are owing us 10,000 naira before. And from your brother's incident the other time that led to the injury of someone.
Yes, I know. I will pay.
Okay. But that's by the way. Why don't you just save up money for us to be able to conduct your mother's surgery as soon as possible? You know it's overdue.
You are making sense, doctor. But the problem is, see that save up money from where? My expenses, family pressure is way above my income. If I tell you what I'm going through, doctor, I'm not supposed to be telling you this. But if you see family challenges, debt, school fees, my mom's own, it's too much on me. And I am the only source of hope. Please, bear with me. I will raise money and come and pay you. And I also raise money for my mom's surgery, please.
What happens is I'm going to write down that you're owing us this money. No problem. It's just because you're my friend that's why I'm doing this. I appreciate it. You wouldn't do this to any other person. That reminds me, you have to also encourage your mother to be consistent with her drugs. She has to take it very seriously.
I will.
Please.
I will.
It's well with you.
Thank you very much, doctor. I appreciate your kindness.
No, it's okay. It's okay. We are friends.
I want to buy bread. Okay. Which one? Give me this one. It's 1,500. Bring one sachet of. Okay, let me get it.
Where is he?
What happened?
This boy.
That boy is a thief. He stole from my shop.
That thief?
Bread that I'm selling 1,500 naira. This boy went and stole it.
Don't worry.
You will soon die.
Don't worry.
You will die soon.
I've marked his face. Don't worry, leave him. We'll catch him again. Don't worry, we'll catch him.
You will soon die.
We'll catch him. Let's go back. We'll catch him again.
Why would you go to beg for bread? Don't you know you're the son of a billionaire? Eh?
Forget it now. Mom, just eat the bread and have your medicine.
And what happened to your leg?
I was playing, I was running, so I don't sleep. But Mommy, it's nothing now, it's nothing, I will be fine. Just take your medicine.
Andrew, see what your brothers and uncles have told us into. Andrew, look at what they have told us into.
Okay.
Look at your son. Your son is now a beggar, begging for common bread. Common bread, Andrew. Andrew, why did you allow us to pass through this all alone? Don't leave me, I'm watching and I'm tired. I'm tired watching. Andrew, what is this? God, this was not the life I planned for. This was not the life I planned for, Andrew. Andrew.
It's okay now. It's okay. Just eat the bread and have your medicine.
God.
It's okay.
Hi.
Ma, I saw what happened in your shop today.
You saw what happened? That boy is a thief. Do you know him?
No, Ma. Ma, please, can I pay for the bread he stole?
No, never mind. Are you sure you don't know him?
It doesn't really matter if I know him or not. I just feel like paying.
Who are you?
Never mind.
I'm gonna go inside and rest, okay?
No.
Huh?
I want to sit outside so I can get a fresh air.
No, Mama, let's go inside so I can rest now.
No, let me sit.
You prefer here?
Yes.
Let me get you.
Thank you, my son. God bless you.
Mama, please. Don't skip anyone.
I will.
Please, make sure you take it as instructed.
Oh.
Let me get you.
Ma, God bless you, Mama. God bless you.
Maya!
What is it? Jesus Christ. Who did this to you? Hey! What is this?
It's in your bookie.
Hey! Animal place of fame. What's that?
He asked me to be his girlfriend and I refused. He said to drug me and I slapped him and pushed me in my right hand and ran away with his friends.
So what did you do in your school?
Yes.
Jesus.
They want to kill my last child for me.
Mama, please, I'm coming.
Let me follow you people now.
No, Mama, please now. Shut yourself. Sit here, I'm coming.
Where is Ebuka? Ebuka! 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 Hey!
Okay, Chuku, you're a thief. You're a liar. That is what you are. Your mother that I saw in the market just fainted and you took her to the hospital. Ah. Oh, you're just driving down from the hospital with your sister. Okay, Chuku. Okay, Chuku. So my keke has turned to family carrier. You are crazy, okay? Okay, if you know what is good for you. Okay, so you left my kids stranded in the school. Okay, so I gave you my keke now to be carrying your family members ups and down. Is that what you have turned my keke into? Okay, you left my kids stranded in the school. Don't bother. Yes, oh, don't bother. They are back. If you know what is good for you, just return my keke right now. Yes. If you know what is good for you. Can you imagine this fool, oh? Eh? Can you imagine this idiot? The keke that my husband gave to me. Let me use and cater for the family. Feed the children. I gave it to this animal and he's messing around with it. No problem. You will go and come back and meet me here. I'm here waiting for you. Eh? My own keke. You have turned into family carrier. Okay? No problem. Very stupid. You're mad. How dare you? Eh? You turned my keke to family carrier. Are you mad?
I'm sorry.
Ha, madam. You don't have the right to hit a man.
And who are you? Who called you here? Is this your business? Huh?
I'm sorry, I know it's my business. But please, show some respect. He's a man.
You see what you have caused? Okay, you see what you have caused. You are lying this ringworm. Eh? What will I even call her? To talk to me anyhow. It's not your fault.
Please.
It's not your fault.
Madam, sorry. Please don't add salt to my injury. Just go, okay? It's a family problem. You can go.
I'm sorry.
Go. Thank you.
You are allowing this little rat to talk to me anyhow.
I'm sorry.
Can I have my keys now? Can I have my keys? Idiot. You are allowing this idiot to talk to me anyhow.
Madam, please. Madam.
Thunder will fire you.
Madam, I don't have any right.
If you touch me one more time, idiot.
Madam,
I can drive my keke back home.
This is my last hope. Madam, please.
Who? You think you're the only one that can drive keke? I say get out!
Have you agreed on what I told you?
I have been very sick for a week now.
That is not the point. We had a discussion.
Please, can you just allow me to mourn my husband? I'm still mourning him, please.
It has nothing to do with what we said. Why are you doing this to yourself? Huh? Why are you doing this to yourself? You are mourning your husband and so? The dead is dead. Life goes on. You and I are still living. Let us enjoy ourselves. Is your boy around?
No, he went out.
Good. So what are we waiting for? Let us go inside and have a good time. Let's go in there and enjoy ourselves. A beautiful woman like you with all these lovely qualities. Your husband shouldn't have died and leave all this behind. He left it for a purpose.
Sir, please. Please. I told you I have been very ill. I'm frustrated, I'm hungry. Please, can you just understand my predicament, please?
Predicament? Predicament, you say? How else do you want me to understand your predicament? I put you in a house where you pay 5,000 naira every week. What else do you want me to do? Oh, allow you to live in the house free of charge? You can't be starving me with this thing and yet you want me to leave you here. I want this thing. It's something you can give to me and then you and I will have our peace. I can even give you more. You can be staying here and you won't be paying anything. What is it? Just be my side chick. That is what I'm asking for. Be my side chick.
Gee! Andrew!
Andrew are you calling? Which Andrew are you calling? Andrew that is long dead and buried. You are calling Andrew to come and do what now? To come and attack me? Or what?
No, I wasn't calling anybody.
Look, I have said it and I'm saying it again. You cannot be starving me with that thing in between your legs. And then you expect me to live here, to live in my house free of charge. If you get well, you will look for elsewhere to put your head. I've had enough of you. I'm done pitying you. You need to consider me for once. Consider me for once. Nonsense.
I am left with nothing upon everything I want all my life. I have no one to speak for me. Not at all. Is this how life is? I am tired of this world.
Uncle, I have collected everything I need from this woman. The houses, the car, everything. She killed half of her family, uncle. She cannot be allowed to stay in this house. She can't.
Never.
And for your information, madam, we have gotten your luggage at the front of the house. Please, as you are leaving from here, just carry your things, cha-cha, and go. At once!
Yes. Even the car you drove in. We are collecting it from you. You're not going back with it. Everything, we are collecting it. Yes. You're evil.
Very evil.
You killed our only brother. Our breadwinner of the house. You killed him. You're wicked. You're wicked.
Was that why you all closed my late husband's house and collected all his assets from me? What about my son? What about his son?
This woman, you are a prostitute. And you are a very hardened prostitute. Look at your face. Look at the way you are talking. Do you think we don't know that this boy here is not our blood? What? No, do you think we don't know? And you killed half of your family. You sit down here. After killing half of your family, and you are talking to us. We asked you to swear an oath. Swear to your innocence. You refused.
Oju?
Okay. Okay, no problem. No problem. I have agreed. I have agreed to swear. I have agreed to swear. Obviously, remember I used to be your favorite sister-in-law. Why are you treating me like this?
Be quiet!
Why? Why, obviously?
Look at this woman. Be quiet! Stop all these crocodile tears. You're all pretense. We know. They're all pretense. Be quiet.
Yes. And I told you there's no naya. But one more go step up. Carlo.
Papa.
Not taki mota.
Give me that keys.
I am left with nothing upon everything I want all my life. I have no one to speak for me. Not at all. Is this how life is? I am tired of this world. My God, please, fight this battle for me.
I'm tired. 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 God, what have I done? What have I done? What have I done? I'm tired. Oh God!
God, please have
What kind
mercy
of
on
life
me.
is this? I'm tired.
Don't let me to die. The battle is too much on me. Don't let me to die in this battle. Hear my cry, oh Lord. Hear my cry, oh Is this how life is? Everything has fallen apart. My son is caused problems everywhere and there.
You suddenly remembered you have a paternal home. Norma, for 15 solid years, I didn't set my eyes on you. And now you appear suddenly from the blues with your crocodile tears. You blackmailed me. You went about telling people how evil I was, to the extent that you told some that I was responsible for your father's death. My own blood brother, whom you knew very well, was suffering from appendix. And his own wife was suffering from unmanageable high blood pressure.
Uncle, please hear me out, please. Because hear me out.
What do you want me to hear about you? What do you want me to hear about you? Now let me take you down memory lane. When you were with me, I sponsored your WAEC fees. But thank God, you passed your papers. And at that time, you brought your fiancé, Andrew, who was serious on getting married to you. I had the hope that he was going to take over from where I stopped. But we never saw the light of that. Eventually, I had to make sure that I sponsored you through higher institution, which is the Polytechnic. And when you finally came out as a graduate, what did you do? You abandoned me because you found a husband. And what still? And when Andrew was ready to pay your bride price, you went to hire uncles to replace me. You practically asked your husband-to-be not to give me the bride price. As if that was not enough. You made sure that all the pastors you told about how evil I was, they on their own too, were telling you here and there that I was responsible for the death of your parents. Norma, look at you. Now you are here and you are asking me to hear you out. What more will you tell me? You know I had 2 children. At some point in time I lost my job. But your rich husband, you make sure that he will not give me money. And now you are here. Where are they today? Your husband's brother, haven't they abandoned you? Your husband, where is he today?
I can't find them.
You can't find them. If you're able to find them, will you be here today? No. Now listen to me, Norma. If you had stick to me as your uncle, or assume that I was your father, or I am your father, all you are suffering through now will not be. You see, buddy, make sure that you paid me back with the bad side of the coin. But you thought you were smart.
You see where your smartest have landed you?
Uncle, please.
See, I have nothing to add to you anymore. There is nothing between you and I as far as I'm concerned.
I'm sorry, Uncle.
Nonsense.
Uncle, please, I'm begging, please.
I can't help
Uncle,
you.
please.
Your U-turn back to me will not save you.
Please, please, I'm begging you. I was deceived by people. Please, Uncle, help me. Help me, I'm begging you in the name of God. I have no one. Please help me. Please.
I said I can't hear you. What I said, did it fall on deaf ears?
God! Andrew!
You bit the finger that fed you.
I don't have anyone. My father has a lot of friends. That's why I meet one of them, especially those ones that promise to take care of us.
You will not understand. Those are promises made on sand.
But what do you mean by promises made on sand?
All your late father's friends want to sleep with me. But I can't. I can't sleep with them because I love your father so much. He was everything I had.
I wish I had money. I would have established a business for myself. Okay. God. It's okay. Everything will be alright, I believe so. God, why? God, why me? Why me? Why me, God? I should have stayed with my uncle instead of focusing on your late father's brothers. See what they have done to me. See what they have done to me. God! I'm tired. I'm tired of this type of life. I'm tired, God. I'm tired. I'm tired, God. God, why? Why me? Why me, God? God, why? Oh, God. Oh. Mommy, the water is running. All right. Nabia, I'm coming. Come here. Nabia, oh.
Dorothy is a wicked fellow.
Give us more rice now. No, I'm talking to my sister. Does that affect your rice?
Dorothy is a wicked fellow. How could she? How could she collect the cake from you just like that? Huh?
No nonsense, Pepe safe.
My madam is wicked. But why is all these things happening to me? Like everything is crashing. I've been calling your phone, but it's not connecting. Why? Hello, what is it? You look tense.
I'm coming from the hospital. Eh?
What's happening there?
Ebuka saw Stanley and I standing on the roadside, talking. He came out from nowhere and stabbed him.
Ewo, my son?
Yes, Mama.
I hope the man didn't die.
Mama, right now he's at the hospital on life support.
So, what is Stanley? But you, Seth, how many times have I warned you to stop hanging around with that Yahoo boy? What are you people up to?
We're just talking.
Talking what?
I have nothing to do with him. We're just talking. Hey.
Where is Ebuka?
He's at the police station.
Oh,
God.
Whoa. Oh.
Mama?
I can't see where Jay.
Are you sure this is not a spiritual problem? Because I don't understand why everything is crashing on us. Look at my sister's eye. What I'm hearing is punky this, punky that. I don't know. Look at what my madam did to me. I lost my keke. She slapped me on top. You are sick. Now, Ebuka stabbed some... If anything happens to that man, I will kill Ebuka myself.
No.
He keeps causing trouble for me. Do you want to give me high blood pressure? The other day, he stabbed one man when they were watching Chelsea match. I know what I went through. Now he stabbed Stanley. Who sent him? If anything happens to Stanley, I will kill Ebuka myself. I'm not his father.
Please, you don't have to.
Please.
Go to police station and see how to help him out, please. I'm not going anywhere. He's your brother. Please go to police station and see how to help him. Okay.
Mama, stop okaying me now. Stop. I'm going to my madam's place. I'm going to see my madam. Let me see if I can retrieve my keke. That's what's on my mind. I will not go to that police station. Okay? If you can do the crime, do the time.
Okay, Chukwunwam. But you know Ebuka is your younger brother. Please, you still have to go to the police station and help him out.
I will not go to any police station, Mama. Ebuka is my younger brother, and so? Now, does that give him the license to be stupid every now and then? Hi. Who sent him to stab Stanley? Who? So please leave me alone, I beg. I had enough on my head already.
Okay.
Okay, again. You know you caused this. You caused it. Had it been you were not moving around talking rubbish with that Yahoo boy, Ebuka wouldn't have stabbed him.
I'm sorry.
Don't tell me you're sorry. Will sorry make amends? Will sorry heal him? It's easy to say you're sorry. Can your sorry correct the damage?
But I wasn't doing anything with him.
Must you be talking with him?
Just innocent.
What were you discussing with him? Respect yourself. Talking with him is cheating on me, if you don't know. Talking with him is cheating on me already. You must not sleep with him first. What are you defending nonsense for? Who doesn't know that you are my girlfriend in this village? Everybody knows you are my girlfriend. Had it been you were not standing with that idiot, Ebuka wouldn't have stabbed him. So you caused everything. Leave me alone. Stop saying sorry.
Nah.
Mama?
Okay.
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 Okay, Mom. Ebuka won on herself. Ebuka. Okay. Hey! Oh, we have Ebuka. Okay, I refuse to go. I don't have a husband. What do I do?
I know you.
You again? Why are you everywhere?
I am not everywhere. I should be the one asking you if you're stalking me.
Me stalk you as how? Come on, Obo. Were you not the parrot that made my madam took her keke from me? Were you not the one? Cho. You saw adults talking instead of you to mind your business. Who asked you to talk? Don't get me angry. I'm in a bad mood already.
I'm sorry, sir. Sir, please. Where can I get keke to community school or what? I am going for a jam lesson. And I have trekked for like over 20 minutes from my village to this place.
Do I look like keke chairman? Why are you bent on disturbing me now? You've been trekking for the past 20 minutes, so we should run away. When I was your age, I used to trek from village to village in search of Udala. And you're here telling me you've been trekking for the past 20... Don't get me angry. You are already in our community. When you go straight down, get to the extreme, take your right, they will show you the community school.
Sir, I can see you are frustrated.
How about your grandmother?
She traveled.
Okay. Ever since I started coming here, I've not seen her.
Yes, that is because she traveled to abroad from Mugo. My uncle's wife put to bed, so she had to go.
And your uncle's wife doesn't have a mother?
Yes. She died many years ago. So, hope you enjoy the food.
Wow, yes, thank you. It tastes good.
You said you have something to tell me.
Okay, yes. One of my friends, Buki, injured a female student on her right eye.
What? Are you for real?
Yes. And he ran away and I tried to go after him. But I couldn't. Please, can I stay at your place for a moment?
Yes, as long as you won't misbehave. There's a room for you.
Thank you. I promise I'll not misbehave.
You're welcome. Eat your food.
The food tastes good. I enjoy it.
Nemeka, what are you doing to get money with the things you're buying? What are you doing? Tell me. Tell me the truth. Oh. Tell me the truth.
I go to the market. I follow my age mates, push wheelbarrow, who carry people's goods from the market to their car, and later
You will stop it. Nemeka, you have to stop it. I will look for money and open a business. Because I dreamt that the youth lynched on you for stealing.
Mom, I'm not stealing. I told you before, I'm not
Are you
stealing.
sure?
I'm sure. I'm not stealing.
Nemeka.
I know when I train me. Have I stole before?
Nemeka, you are stealing. You are stealing. Eh? Bia? No, Emeka. Please.
I don't want to lose you. Emeka, I don't want to lose you. Please. You're the only one I have. Please. I don't have anybody. Do you want to kill me? Do you want me to die? Please. Emeka, Iko. I don't want to lose you. Whatever you are doing, anything negative, you have to stop it, please. No, I don't want to lose you. Emeka, I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose you, please. Please, I don't want to lose you. I love you. I don't want to lose you. You're the only one I have.
Open your eyes now. What is this thing called up doing in your vein? For who? For that thing, Okechukwu? See, Stanley has money. He has cars. He has houses. He's even building a hotel. He can take good care of you. Why you the door now? Baby girl, shine your eyes. What is wrong with you? What?
Uju, you know I love him.
Hey!
You know I love him.
Do you know what love is? Do you know? See, I think it's time for you to break free from this thing you call love. This is spell. It's a spell. What are you telling me? I'm talking about Stan. You're talking about dead human being. You can imagine your father is ill. He could only give you 2,000 naira. What could 2,000 naira do for you? But Stanley gave you enough money for medical bills. Is that not enough sign for you to know that this guy is from heaven, just for you to be happy as a chick that you are? I don't like this thing you're doing, no.
Uju, I don't know. I don't know what I can do without him. Like, hey. I love him so much. Unadomado. Eh? He has been the love of my life. He is the love of my life. You know what we've been through together.
I know.
You know about it.
Yes, I know. Ruth, and the inside fire. Because I can see that you cannot see. Your eyes are you are blinded by whatsoever. Will I say, is that love? What is love without money? Love without money is pain. Love is money. Money is love. Okay, let me ask you. When was the last time he bought you cream? Open your eyes. When was the last time he bought you on this? Because I know say some of those on this they don't tie with rope. Is it making any sense to you? Open your eyes for once now. Baby girl, open your eyes. Stanley is ready. Always ready. In fact, I don't know what to say again. Relationship. I'll bundle inside that relationship by force. Open your eyes, Joe. Stop not the dummy. What are you saying now?
Okay.
Move it! Move it!
What's going on?
I beg you,
what is happening?
Move it! I said move!
And you? Who are you?
I am his girlfriend.
Really?
Oh, please.
Girlfriend. I'll just go. Please, leave my house. Leave my house.
Juliet, I'm so sorry. Please get me out of here.
I should get you out of here.
Yes.
You cheated on our relationship, our friendship that is not even up to 2 months. And you brought a girl into my grandmother's house. You know what? I don't ever want to see you in that house again. And return the phone I gave you last week. Return it!
Juliet, I said
Oh, and they make noise for here. What's be all this one? Keep quiet, Joe. Just they cause headache for me. You say, what's your name? Get it one again.
Juliet. Don't make noise.
Officers. Now what are Smally. Police are search you there. You there everywhere. What did you do here?
Please, don't call me Smally. I am not Smally. And you should learn how to mind your business too.
Oh, no verse, Biggie. Officer, my name is Okechukwu. I'm here to see my younger brother, Ebukozo. I think they fought or something, I don't know.
Okay, you think the name?
Ebukozo.
Ebukozo.
Yes.
Even brother?
Yes.
Oh!
I'm his elder brother.
Oh, even brother. Okay, you're under arrest.
Eh?
Yes. Your brother punched my colleague for his face. He punched him very well for wrong. And we have been looking for him. Now you are here. You go inside there now.
I don't understand.
Yes, that is it. When you get inside there, you will understand.
Is that how you walk and don't get me angry?
I say when you get inside there, you will understand.
Now me punch your colleague?
I said no, don't see him now.
Don't get me angry, sir.
Let's go inside.
If you try this thing outside, your head will bleed.
Do you want to fight the law?
The law is supposed to get sense now.
The law gets sense.
I am here to see my younger brother and you're telling me I'm under arrest. What offense did I do?
As you not forget your brother, I'll come get you. The law don't replace you. I have to go.
Let's say if you knew.
I said they go.
Let's say if you knew police.
If you resist arrest, it's another offense.
If you try this thing outside,
if you resist
the hospital is the match.
It's another offense. Like go inside.
I'm here to see my brother.
You're under arrest. You are under arrest. Okay. When you
Before we don't like me, who will help me? Who will help me before we don't like me? My 2 sons. Oh,
Mama is okay.
Hey, my
Mama
2
is
sons.
okay. Stop crying.
Oh, what?
Mama, it's okay. Stop crying. Sorry. Hey, my dear. You said your name is Juliet.
Yes.
And my brother sent you to come and tell us this. Hey, God. Eh? What kind of life is this? Eh? Why is life treating my family this way? Eh? Just look at my mother. She has fallen ill again.
Is there no money for you people to bail him out?
There is no money in this house. If you start from the room anywhere, you will not see one cup. There is no money in this house at all. There is no money. Even the treatment of my injury was done on credit. Eh?
What happened to your eyes?
A guy called Pook in my school tried to harass me. In refusal, he punched my eyes.
I have heard that story. So it was you he attacked?
Yes. But that is the least of my worries right now. I'm worried about my brothers. They are my only brothers. What should I do? I don't know. Mama, what are we going to do? Sorry.
So sorry. Everything will be fine. You just calm down.
Thank you. Mama, stop crying. Stop crying. I know you're not feeling well. Stop crying. Sorry. Mama, it's okay.
I told them what you sent me. And your mother is sick.
What about that woman that collected your keke? Why not call her?
Forget about that woman. Forget about her.
Can I take you out of here?
Can you?
Yes.
Please do.
Wait up, boy! Wait there! No! Wait there!
Which one? Which small boy? What are you looking for? Which small boy now? What do you want? What do you want? What are you looking for?
Hey! You don't get lost!
Which boy are you talking about? Is it Nemeka? God. Yes. Nemeka. Wait. Jesus, what is this? Nemeka, no. No, it can't be. Nemeka. Oh God. Nemeka. Jesus! Blood of Jesus! What did you say? What happened? Oh my God! What is it? Which hospital? Which hospital? What is it? Okay. Okay, I'll be on my way. Yeah, I'll be on my way right away. Okay. Oh my God! But what is it? Your father just had an accident. Jesus! Your father just had an accident. I told them to wait at the airport so I can pick them up. I don't know what happened. Oh my God! I don't know. Let's go to the hospital. Oh my God! Jesus! Oh.
Should I trust him? What if he fails to do what I want him to do? What if he's greedy and selfish? I thought I could trust Joseph, but he ended up being a womanizer. If Okechukwu can reject a sexual offer from his madam, then I think he's a good man. He can be trusted. But then, this is about wealth. It's about money, not sexual pleasure. God.
Amara, what's in your eye? Where, brother?
I told you at the police station. He was arrested this afternoon.
Eh? Arrested? Hi. What happened to your eye? What's in your head? Who do am?
Is it not Pookie?
Eh?
Pookie punched me in my eye.
That guy! You don't tell I said my sister.
Who doesn't know? He knows. He said that he cannot do anything.
Eh?
Yes. He even say next time he's going to rape me if I don't accept him.
Yeah. Saying go rape you.
Mm-hmm.
Pookie saying go rape you, my sister. Okay. No, Amara, that guy is dead in this village. I go kill him with my hand. In fact, wait, make I go look for him. Don't worry.
Wait, brother, wait. We heard that what happened? That you stabbed someone earlier today. Is it true?
See, Amara, don't worry. Where Mama?
Mama is in the hospital. Yes, she fainted this evening and was rushed to the hospital. I just came back home to collect some of her clothes to take to the hospital for her.
Which kind of wahala be this? Which kind of wahala be this, Amara? Mama in the hospital and you say they arrested brother?
Yes, is it not what one girl came to tell us? We went to look for you now and I don't know what happened, man.
Hi. Okay, now Amara, I escaped from the police custody.
You escaped?
Amara, now you go and stay with your mind hospital. I go see you tomorrow morning. You hear me? Just go. Don't ask me. I need to look for this cookie this night. Amara, go stay with Mama.
Brother, wait! Wait, brother! Brother, wait! Cookie is dangerous, so hey, I'm telling you now.
Thank you very much for saving me. Thank you very, very much. I really appreciate this. They were intimidating me at that police station.
You're welcome.
Brother. I appreciate it. Ebuka. Brother. Who did this to you? What happened?
We need to rush him to the hospital.
What? Please help me. Call Keke. Go. What's going on? What's all this now? Too much wahala everywhere. Ebuka. Just hold on, let me. You said you know the hear what? Eh? Dog. Yeah. Okay, Alpha. Please, what is the situation of things? Yes. We've been able to stabilize the situation right now.
And but an emergency surgery needs to be carried out on him as soon as possible, because we found some particles and pieces of bottles inside his stomach.
Emergency surgery?
Yes.
Okay, doctor. Like, how much are we supposed to raise for that?
Say 1.7 million.
Hey! Doctor, you said 1.7 million?
Yes.
That means you want us to die here now? Ebuka. Well, hi. Doctor, please. If you turn me upside down, you won't see that money. I don't even have anybody to borrow me such amount. Please.
Well, you have to understand one thing, that this is a private hospital. And I've done the much I could for you. Yes, I have. And it's not within my powers to, do what you seek. So you have to just raise the money and let's do this to save time. We don't have time on our side.
I can't watch my brother die.
Yeah.
And I don't have such amount. You are my last hope. I will run around to raise money, but 1.7 million is far, far away. Where will I start from?
But of course, you're still owing us from the last this. So you're still indebted to us. But there's nothing I can do. My hands are tied.
1.7 million.
Yes.
Hey! Oh, Chimo. Hi, doctor, please help me. Save my brother's life. I will raise the money. I will run around, but I don't have it now. Please.
I wish there's something I can do, but I can't help. At this time, there's something I can do.
Oh, please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I did it just to take care of you.
Rebecca, why? Why? Is that why you're stealing from people? Why, Rebecca? What is it? Hey!
Oh, please, I'm sorry. Please,
hey! They will kill my only son just like that, Rebecca. You have to stop stealing. You have to stop stealing.
Okay, Mommy, I promise you from now on I will not steal again. Mommy, please. Please, I'm sorry. Mommy, please. Please. Mommy, please. Forgive me. Mommy, please.
So, madam, I'll give you 10,000 for this clothes.
Jesus. Madam, 10,000 naira. No, now, madam. See, look at this. This is a very good quality. You won't regret buying this. This wrapper is from 30,000 naira and above. Yes. See, just one of this wrapper is 30,000 naira. Seriously, madam, you won't regret it. Look at the quality now. It's
I can see it now. I know it's expensive. I know it's expensive. But you look fresh. Why?
Madam, please forget about me looking fresh. It's just so unfortunate that I lost my husband and things went south. Went south for me and my son. If not, will I be doing all of this? Madam, see this wrapper. It's just that I just need to set up my life. This wrapper is very, very, very. See, look at it. If you go to the market, I'm selling at a very affordable price for you. Look at, see, it's something that you will use for 20 years. You will not regret it.
Oh, okay. It's okay. You know what? Let's do it this way. I'll give you 15,000 naira.
Hey! 15,000 naira.
Yes.
For one or
for all of them. What is one? How can I buy one wrapper for 15,000?
Mommy, biko nuna. Look at quality.
My sister.
See, let me bring them out for you.
I know.
See, if you use this, you won't regret it. These wrappers are very expensive.
I've tried now. 15,000.
I can't sell it for that amount.
You know what? It's because of the situation you told me. That's why I even increased the money to 15,000. Things are somehow now in the community. Everything is somehow. So it's 15,000. Or if you don't want to sell 15,000, I can't kill myself now because I want to buy clothes now. It's because of the situation I explained to me. I want to help you.
Madam, I can't sell it for that amount.
Okay, my sister, don't be angry. Carry your clothes and go now. No problem. Don't.
Wait, come. Oh, please. Sorry.
I'm trying to help you. We are to help ourselves. Sisters, women helping women.
I understand, but this thing now, it's more than that amount though.
My sister.
You use it and use it.
Forget about the using. 15,000. No. I want to help you. This suffering is too much. You cannot be suffering like this. Okay, let's go to my house. Let's go so I give you the money.
It's okay.
It's okay, my sister. Everything will be okay.
Are we cursed or what? Why is hardship, pain and sorrow sleeping and waking up with me? Why? My father died without any single land left for us. How do I even raise money for the medical bills? Lord, do not allow me to wallow and die in poverty. Or should I just meet Dorothy? But I have vowed never to sleep with a married woman. God, I'm talking about my mother here. Help me wipe out this shame.
Why is your face like that? Are you a baby?
Madam, I was told that sleeping with married women brings bad luck. I can't do this with you, please.
That means you don't want the keke back.
I want my keke back, but not at the expense of my destiny. Madam, you are married with kids. Your husband is still alive. Where I come from, what we believe in forbids that. I can't be doing that, please. It's like bringing death upon my destiny. Look for another condition, I will do whatever you want. But remove this sleeping with you, please. Please.
Okay, Chiku, that is why I called you here. Yes, you can go home and think about it.
There is nothing to think about. Just change the condition.
Okay, Chiku. My husband is in Ghana, and I'm here with you in this village. Okay, Chiku, see, we can run things together. I'm telling you, you like it.
Madam, please. I can't. Please.
Are you a baby? Why are you doing like you're not a man? What's your problem? Okay, Chiku, let's do this thing together.
My love, what are you doing here? I thought I told you I will be coming to see you this evening. I'm not in the mood to discuss anything now. I'm stressed out.
Chupu.
You even called me by my name.
Is okay, Chupu not your name again? And I beg, open my door and make me come up for this place, I beg. You don't fear anybody for you. Talk, Joe.
It's about Stanley.
Is he dead?
He proposed to me and
she accepted. Okay, Chuku, it's obvious you don't have money to take care of my friend. You're wasting my friend's time. So the right man is in the picture. It's better you just give way, I beg. Give way. Ruth, let's leave.
Baby, is this some kind of joke or prank?
Prank,
Look, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You'll get
Let's leave this place now.
You'll get a wife that is as good as I am. But right now...
Are you leaving me for another man?
Let's leave now.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It has to end this way. I believe you're going to find a good wife that will fit you.
Who's looking for another wife?
I'm sorry. Okay, Chuku, I'm sorry, please.
What are you saying?
It has to be like...
Do you want to throw away everything we shared? My 4 years affair? God forbid. Baby. Hello, madam. Yes, I'm fine. It's me, Okechukwu. I want to go and see you.
Okechukwu, why do you want to see me? I don't have all day, okay? Go straight to the point. What? Are you serious? You accepted what we discussed? Good boy. That's nice. Yes, now you're talking. You know that hotel now? Yes, I'm there already, waiting for you. All right, I'll be waiting. Aga, come and be going.
Why?
Why? You didn't ask me why. Because now you pay for this hotel room. When you ask me why. I have a client coming, okay? Dress up and leave.
Okay, I will leave. But I know you'll find me.
I know you'll find me. Okay, call your account number. Call your account number and hey, you see this thing that happened here today? Let it be the end of us. And no one here say person, another person hear this matter. You hear me so? I don't know you, you don't know me. 62,
39
39
77
77.
What are you doing here? Talk now. I don't have all day. I have an appointment.
Should I follow you?
No. It's an adult meeting.
You need money. And you want to sleep with your madam for it.
Who are you? How did you know?
Well, I just guess. I have gifts for guessing things. I am not possessed. My grandmother has the same gift too.
Hey. Okay, now that you have guessed right, do you have a solution to the problem?
Yes.
Can you follow me to my grandmother's house?
Waiting to happen for there. But they share money there.
I have something that will stop your pain and misery if you follow me. But if you don't, the pains will still be there.
I'm standing, please, come on, go. Just go.
That's interesting. I have warned you to stay away from my woman. What is your problem? Money is not everything, no.
See, Okechukwu, let me tell you, you see Ruth here? Ruth, I will prove to you that Ruth is going to be my wife. In fact, it's not going to take too long.
Very soon. You should be ashamed of yourself. Because you scammed Oyibo, came back with dirty money. Instead of you to be doing charity and know whether God will forgive you, you are here dragging my woman. Be careful with me. Stay away from this woman.
Then you should go and make your own money now. See, as for Ruth, she's going to be my wife and nothing you can do about it.
I'll show you say we wait the village, eh? You get why we be village boys. No, wait. I will show you say we get this village.
Inside the car, go. Just go.